If you are looking for a Bloomingdale, Illinois bumper repair shop, you have come to the right place. Schaumburg Auto Body, we specialize in restoring your vehicle's bumper to its original condition after a collision. Our team meticulously assesses the damage to provide accurate and efficient repairs. We handle everything from minor scratches and dents to more significant impacts that require full bumper replacements. Using state-of-the-art technology and quality materials, Schaumburg Auto Body ensures that your bumper repair enhances both the appearance and safety of your vehicle. Call us today to schedule your bumper repair estimate with Schaumburg Auto Body near Bloomingdale.